Don't download HubSpot Enterprise CRM app before watching this. Before you download HubSpot Enterprise CRM, here's the key insight. It's not just a content manager. At the enterprise level, HubSpot offers sales automation, reporting, and marketing integrations, but most teams get this wrong by underestimating setup complexity. Step 1. Define your pipeline. Enterprise HubSpot allows multiple pipelines, custom stages, and lead scoring. Most people get this wrong by creating generic pipelines, which hampers sales visibility. Step 2. Automate sales and marketing tasks. Enterprise workflows let you automate emails, follow-ups, and lead routing. The surprising truth is, poorly designed automations can reduce personalization and confuse prospects. Step 3. Integrate with other platforms. Connecting HubSpot to email, analytics, and ERP systems ensures data flows seamlessly. Without integration, insights remain siloed and efficiency drops. Step 4. Monitor metrics and optimize. HubSpot Enterprise dashboards track conversions, revenue, and engagement. Teams that act on this data improve pipeline efficiency and ROI. The upside? Properly implemented, HubSpot Enterprise can increase lead conversion by up to 30%, reduce administrative tasks, and improve cross-team collaboration. So should you download it? Yes, but only if your team can manage pipelines, design workflows carefully, and integrate systems. For smaller teams, simpler CRM plans may suffice. Subscribe for actionable insights before investing in enterprise CRM platforms.